Graph skills. Learning objective. I will know how to interpret information in circle graphs. Read circle graphs. Graphs are visuals that show information in a way that helps you compare and interpret information. There are many kinds of graphs, and each kind shows a different way to make comparisons. One kind of graph is a circle graph. Circle graphs are also sometimes called pie charts, as they are round and divided into wedges, like slices of pie. With a circle graph, the entire circle is the whole, and the wedges are the parts. This kind of graph makes it easy to compare the parts to the whole, and to other parts. Reading a circle graph can help you interpret numbers and facts. To interpret a circle graph, first look at the title to understand what the graph is about. Next, read the words in the graph to find out what each part shows. The title of the circle graph below is Union and Confederate Forces and Casualties. This graph compares the Union and Confederate armies. Within the section for each army, it shows the number of casualties, or soldiers killed or wounded. You can see how the number of casualties compares to the total number of soldiers for each army. Here is another circle graph. You can see there are more parts in this graph. The number of parts is determined by what is being shown. This is a graph of how many battles were fought in several states. The chapter mentions key battles, but there were hundreds of others. There were 16 states with 1 to 11 battles each. The states in this graph all had 15 or more battles. You can see right away which states had the most battles. Circle graphs are good for making comparisons clear. Try it. Use the two circle graphs to interpret the information and answer the questions. 1. Which side had a larger army? 2. Which side had the greater number of casualties? 3. How many states had 15 or more battles? 4. Which state saw the most fighting? 5. How does the second graph help explain the first graph? 6. Apply. How could you use a circle graph to show what your day is like?